So I've gone off and taken the screws out of the flight controller box. So I'll show you what's inside here. So on top is the GPS unit, the Here Plus GPS unit for the rover. It's two pieces. There's the rover GPS unit, which is a circular disc, and there's for the RTK, there's a base station unit 2 that I'll show you that's actually out in my lawn, and that provides a consistent position on the globe for corrections. So we'll talk about that later. So let me open the box. Okay, so kind of what you normally see inside a drone. We have the Pixhawk Cube, or the 2.1 down here. That's the flight controller, way in the bottom there. Attached to it are a couple of different things. First, a FrSky receiver, RC receiver. Then we have on the other side is the telemetry unit. So the flight controller is going to send telemetry, and I can send commands through telemetry to this receiver, and it sends them serially to the flight controller. And then of course we have this voltage power supply regulator here that powers this whole unit through 12 volts. So that's pretty much all it. I stuck everything on with Velcro, kind of just as a test. I'll probably permanently mount them with screws or something similar once we get through, because I don't want these vibrating off and shaking around as we're cutting the grass. My lawn is quite bumpy, so we'll make a more permanent solution for this, and maybe we'll clean some of the wire mess up too. So this is so I got cables coming in from the RC into the flight controller, and then the flight controller will have RC cables or servo cables coming out, signals coming out and going into this speed controller. And then when everything's done and said, it'll be great. I'm actually thinking about taking this and mounting it directly on top of this. This is an aluminum case, so that might be okay. We'll find out.